Hi there! Today, with the help of our channel's medicine research scientists, we're going to provide you with what is keto diet. But first, why don't you hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell. In the world of weight loss diets, unlike other low-carb diets, a keto plan centers on fat, which supplies 90% of daily calories. The keto diet is primarily used to help reduce the frequency of epileptic seizures in children. This diet forces your body into using different types of fuel. Instead of relying on sugar or glucose that comes from carbohydrates such as grains, legumes, vegetables, and fruits, the keto diet relies on ketone bodies, a type of fuel that the liver produces from stored fat. Burning fat seems like an ideal way to lose pounds. But getting the liver to make ketone bodies is tricky because it requires that you deprive yourself of carbohydrates, fewer than 20 to 50 grams of carbs per day. Keep in mind that a medium-sized banana has about 27 grams of carbs. It typically takes a few days to reach a state of ketosis. Eating too much protein can interfere with ketosis. Theories about short-term low-carb diet success include lower appetite because fat burns slower than carbs. But we don't know about the long term. Eating a restrictive diet is difficult to sustain. Once you resume a normal diet, the weight will likely return. For now, we don't say it's good or bad for your body. Instead, we're trying to say, be careful about the strategy you take to lose your weight. We hope you learned a lot today about what is keto diet. Let us know in the comments below what you think. Enjoyed this video? Hit like and subscribe
to ZOOXFIT.
Wait, we don't want to forget to tell you about our other awesome videos. Go ahead, choose one of these videos and enjoy.